everyone, welcome back to this channel. Welcome to Earn with Juliet. So on this channel we talk about business ideas, how to earn money, how to make money. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about top survey app that you can earn from. Oh yes, a lot of people, millions of people are earning from this survey site. They are earning from this app. In fact, some people are even like it is their full-time job. It is their full-time job. So let's dive in. Okay, so the first app I want to talk about is Swagbucks. I know that a lot of people have heard about it, but maybe you don't know that people earn a lot from this survey app. So Swagbucks is a survey app. And you know the interesting thing about Swagbucks is that you don't just earn from only survey. There are other things you can also earn from. You can earn from daily posts. You can earn from games. So you can earn money. You can earn dollars. You can earn passive income from Swagbucks. And you know, on Swagbucks, if you're signing in for the first time, there's also a bonus that you can get. Yes, so you can get a bonus of from $5 to even $150. It depends on depend on your luck. So you can earn passively. So if you're looking for how to earn passively, you can go and check out Swagbucks, where you can earn from this survey site, and also it also have other earning options that you can earn from. And how is the payment method? For Swagbucks, they pay through PayPal account or gift card. You know what gift card are? So you get a gift card, you can sell your gift card and convert it to your currency. Okay, so that's the first one. Now let's look at the next one, which is the Inbox Dollar. The Inbox Dollar is also a survey app that you can earn dollars from. They've paid out, they have a lot of people on their site, and they've paid out over 20 million people. 20 millions of people on this site. So for the Inbox Dollars, you earn from survey, and not just survey. You earn from watching videos. You also earn from playing games. So you can see that Inbox Dollars also have other earning options. You earn from watching video, you earn from playing games, and and the earning potential is high. And for as it is, the interface is user friendly. You can navigate through it easily. So it is for both it is beginner friendly, and both those that that are already used to it, both experts that are already used to the site. So the Inbox Dollars is another trusted survey app that you can begin to earn in dollar from. Yes, I'm telling you. Then the last one I want to talk about is the Survey Junkie. Yes, but the Survey Junkie mostly focused on survey. Yes, the other one, the Swagbucks, the Inbox Dollar, they have other potential earning options, but this Survey Junkie mostly focus on survey. So you earn mainly from what the survey you do on this app. And although the payout is not as high as the other first two I mentioned earlier, but also you can also earn from Survey Junkie. And also they also pay through PayPal, they also pay through gift card, and also cashback shopping. So you see these three survey app, they are the top three survey app you can earn from. They are legit and they are trusted, and you can earn from them. But again, for those of us that are in some countries where it's not available for us, there is a way you can go about it. Yes, there is a way you can go about it. So if you are interested in starting up, you can inbox me, you can let me know, and I can guide you through. Yes, I'm not going to be the one to guide you through actually, but I can, put you in a community that people that will guide you through, and where they are actively doing this and they are earning from. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in my next video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, I will encourage you to kindly subscribe to this channel. On this channel, we'll talk about side hustle ideas, business growth strategy. We'll talk about business experience. We'll talk about how to make money. See you in my next video.